Hi there, Andy from DakkaDesign again. Okay, so we've in the last part of the tutorial we've started to detail the side panels of the ship, and what we're going to do in this video is we're going to start to build the hangar bay on the front here. So when we look at some of our reference images, you can see this shape that we're going to go for. We're going to do something fairly simple, but you know it'll work just as well. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to just create a box and auto grid it, and I'm really just going to kind of not be too fussy, just slap that on there, and we're going to convert that to an editable poly. And what I want to do is go into our layer manager and just turn on our reference images, and you just want to go to our left view. So in our reference images we can see the front of the hangar bay just sticking out there. So if we go into vertex mode, we can just select that and we can just drag that up there like that, and drag that like that, and that like that. Then if we go to our top view, a little bit more difficult to see what's going on here. Okay, oop, not like that. We want to select these, and oh god, it's one of those days, guys. We want to put that about there, and that about there. Okay, back into perspective mode. And yep, that's pretty good. Okay, so let's just go back into the layer manager and just turn the reference images off again. Don't need them. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to take this box. Let's go back to the top level, and I want to use an Alt A. I want to align it with a hammerhead. Okay, so we only want it to be in the X position, and we want it to be aligned center to center. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to select these three edges, just holding down Control to select multiple edges, and we've got 4 edges selected. And then what we want to do is do a bit of a chamfer, and just by eye, looks like it's about 5, and hit OK. So there we've got that shape. Now what we want to do is go back to the top level again, select our hammerhead object, and what I want to do is get rid of that edge. So I'm just going to remove that edge. And then what I want to do is attach the hangar bay object. So that's now part of that. Actually, you know what? Don't want to do that. I want to remove that entire face, and let's just isolate the selection on this so we can do it more easily. I want to remove that face. Okay. Exit isolation mode and back to top level. As I said at the beginning when we started doing these videos, I will make mistakes, but you know, no editing. It's important that you see these things. Now, the reason that step was important is that we want to actually bridge this geometry to this geometry. Okay, and that will be a little bit easier if we get rid of some of these lines. So I want to remove that line, but I want to hold down Control so that it removes the isolated verts. As you can see, there's no vert there. Okay, and we also want to remove that line. Okay, that's much better. Okay, couple of choices about how we bridge this geometry. The easiest way is just to select that edge, and bridge, and what that then allows us to do is select that edge there and cap it, and there we go. It's all nice and solid, one big piece of geometry. Now what we can do is select this polygon. We can inset. Let's say about, what's that? About 3? Yeah, about 3 will do. Okay. Okay. And then what we want to do is do an extrusion, but not out the way. We want to extrude in the way. So let's just say about 30. Sorry, minus 30. There we go. Is that deep enough? No, not really, is it? So what we can do is we can just grab that, just drag it back in there. There we go. That's a bit better. Nice big deep hanger bay. Okay. So there we have it. We're starting to get some detail on this now. Beginnings of our hanger bay. I think what's next is on the reference images we're going to do these capsules, and we're going to do these things. These things on the ship are actually supposed to be part of the weapon system, so I think we'll build this in the next video. As for this now, I think I'll just save this and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.